Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the general medical career path. My name is Karthik and I am a part of Dream Big. Here is our roadmap for this presentation. We will go through high school, undergraduate, medical school, residency, board certification, and end it off at fellowships. High school. In high school, the best thing you can do is to take hard classes, such as APs and honor classes, and get good grades in all of them. This improves your college application and shows colleges that you are ready for the rigorous coursework ahead. You should also look for medical volunteer and internship programs to get an idea of what it is like to be a healthcare professional. Some programs can include volunteering at your local hospital or working with local universities. Undergraduate. In undergraduate, you have the freedom to take any major you like since medical schools do not have a required major. In fact, according to recent statistics, you have a higher chance of going to medical school if you get a major in the physical sciences or math. This is because most students take general biology, and so taking something else will let you stand out. One downside to getting a major outside of biology is that you may not have completed all of the prerequisite courses needed for medical school. Students will have to figure out the best way to fit in all of these classes in their schedule in order to go to medical school. You will have to study for the MCAT test, which is also important on your medical school application. Finally, getting good grades and doing extracurricular activities such as internships will also increase your chances of getting into medical school. Some students are unable to complete all of these criteria within 4 years, and so they take a gap year between undergraduate and medical school to study for the MCAT or do more internships. Medical school. In medical school, you'll be exposed to different careers in medicine during these 4 years. You'll also be given the chance to choose which field in medicine you want to work. On the topic of degrees, you can either get an MD or a DO. Some schools offer one or the other, while other schools can offer both degrees. They are generally the same, with the only difference being that DOs help prevent diseases, while MDs focus on treating existing diseases. Residency. Before you can complete residency, you need to take 2 parts of the United States Medical Licensing Examination, or USMLE, test to get into residency. More information about this test can be found on the USMLE website. During residency, you will get to work in the specialization you picked during medical school. Although you are not a full-fledged doctor, you still get to work with patients in a real hospital. Depending on your specialty, residency can last around 3 to 7 years. Board certification. After finishing residency, you will need to finish the rest of the USMLE exam. Along with passing the test, you need to complete other criteria to become board certified to practice in your state. You will have to repeat this test throughout your career in order for you to keep on practicing. If you move to another state, you will have to complete a different set of criteria in order to work there. Fellowships. Fellowships are when experienced doctors choose to go more in-depth into their specialization. These courses are very competitive since only a few doctors get selected to do it. If you get selected and pass, you will become a fellow and will be considered an expert in the field you chose. As you may have seen, this pathway is rigorous and will require lots of education, which might span the time length of 10 years. The pathway presented in this video is also just a general overview and does not show other ways to work in the medical field. You also don't have to become a doctor if you want to work in the medical field. If you want more information, find the specific career you want to become and see the specifics of your pathway. Finally, make sure that you're going down this path with true interest and not for other reasons. This ensures that you will stay motivated and follow the path to its end. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, or email us at dreambigorg2021@gmail.com, or join our Telegram group chat.